tickets, but not just Rangers tickets to any game. Rangers tickets for Friday night's game when number 30 gets retired. Listen to win tomorrow morning here on Q104.3.
Hey, Derek, how you doing?
What's going on?
Just rocking and rolling for another day.
Good.
Hey, how about some old Black Sabbath with Ozzy? Can you put that on?
Absolutely. My pleasure. I'd love to.
Oh, yeah. Old Black Sabbath.
I'm in an old Black Sabbath kind of mood myself, so that sounds great.
Yeah, that sounds good, DC. Have a good day.
Blocking the right lane. No incidents reported on the Garden State Parkway. 287, 195, or 295 at Old Bridge. Route 34 is now open through Control Road following an accident earlier this morning. Traffic sponsored by Macy's. It's the Macy's Big Home Sale. Stock up on fresh sheets and bedding from Charter Club, Damask Designs, or shop specials like air fryers and a whole lot more. Plus, Macy's Star Rewards members earn on every purchase except gift cards, services, and fees. Traffic every 15 minutes. Next report, 1248 on New Jersey 101.5.
New Jersey 101.5 instant weather. Will it be 4, 14, or 24 inches? For now, all those options are on the table for a coastal storm, a winter storm set to arrive Friday night and Saturday. It's all dependent on the exact track and strength and size of the storm. Just a few miles